Hi guys, still trying to use up this yellow filament that I've been having trouble with, so I'm just printing virtually anything that catches my eye on Thingiverse. This is I suppose you could call it a fidget spinner, a fidget toy. It's also Christmas themed in that we have snowflakes. That's the gears, so we fit them on here and they should turn each other as we fit them together. So I'll see if I can get it fitted together. It feels a little bit weak. Oh well, we'll see if we can push it together. Yeah, this yellow filament is still giving me trouble. I'm running it hotter. I'm printing faster. But it still looks a little bit... Let's get in there close. Yeah, it doesn't look very good at all, does it? Well, I've got to say, that has gone together beautifully. Look at that. Well, considering the quality of the print, that yellow really playing up, I'm just clicking those home. They weren't fully home, that's better. Well, there you go, Christmas, or festive spinner. I suppose it should have been white, but we'll just call this yellow snow. Bit of an ongoing joke, isn't it? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.